Vigor DELTECH. City dwellers are embracing stylish and efficient travel in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, seeking the freedom to express their individuality outdoors. Vigor LT folding bike meets your standards of excellence. Be both a gentleman and an adventurer. With its sleek drop handlebars, enjoy road bike speed and the convenience of a folding design. Easily stow it in your trunk for a 4+2 getaway and delight in outdoor cycling. Featuring the classic E-frame, made from lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum. Its finish is crafted using a smooth welding technique, resulting in sleek, strong lines with a sporty elegance. The main frame tube and fork tubes utilize shaped hydroformed tubing, with the main tube being 10% taller and 5% wider than standard models. The front fork has been widened, increasing the diameter by 6.4 millimeters over the original 25.4 millimeters. The middle tube has transitioned from a round to a tapered design, enhancing rigidity by 10% through professional testing, resulting in excellent safety performance. Reinforcement plates strengthen the joints between the middle tube, bottom bracket, and stiffening tubes, providing exceptional stability and rigidity. These designs significantly enhance overall stability and increase safety, resulting in a more comfortable and smooth ride. The frame comes with pre-reserved mounting points for water bottle cages, rear racks, and third wheels, boasting excellent expandability. It can be customized and upgraded according to consumers' preferences. As a global leader in folding bikes, Dahon holds numerous international patents. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate Dahon folding technologies. True Dahon engineering DNA. This model incorporates multiple elements of Dahon V tech suite, which improves the overall rigidity and speed across all bike types. Over 1,000 mainstream media outlets, including Bloomberg, Forbes, and Reuters, have reported on the groundbreaking technology. DELTECH. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super Down Tube. It uses a larger, reinforced, flattened tube design to increase structural coupling and boost stiffness in both directions by over 10%. Paired with DELTECH, it delivers more efficient pedaling, safer single-beam folding bikes, stronger climbing, and surprisingly higher speed. External V-joint. Made from forged aluminum with stainless steel locking blocks for a secure fit and sleek appearance. The longer handle enhances contact area, simplifying the folding process. Upgraded single-section external folding handle post. Offers exceptional performance, made from aluminum alloy and forged into a seamless design, ensuring superior strength and durability. The internal locking mechanism has been fully optimized for a simpler structure and reduced weight. The joints and vertical tube are slightly square, making them sturdier than traditional round handle post, with enhanced strength and rigidity. The newly designed safety hook automatically secures for effortless operation. Quick release, dual clamp D2D. Featuring an elegant and straightforward design, it allows you to simultaneously open or lock both clamps with a single action, quickly adjusting the grip distance, handlebar angle, and height. The operation is smooth and effortless, ensuring a secure lock. Adjustable handlebar and saddle. The handlebar angle and height can be adjusted for a personalized riding posture. The extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. Dahon customized lightweight seat post. Featuring anodized hard oxidation treatment for durability and corrosion resistance, it effectively protects the seat post surface from wear and scratches. As a high-end model from Dahon, its configuration is exceptional. It features a renowned Shimano 105 rear derailleur and RS 700 flat bar shifters, combined with a lightweight integrated 5236T double chainring and an 11 to 28T 11-speed cassette, achieving a total of 22 speeds for precise and smooth shifting that adapts perfectly to various terrains. The Shimano Tiagra caliper brake system offers responsive and efficient braking with a comfortable feel. Equipped with Dahon's custom Starburst Spoke 451 wheel set, which has a larger outer diameter than traditional 20-inch wheels, it provides a smooth ride and agile acceleration. The minimalist spoke design is visually striking and significantly enhances the bike's overall lightweight performance. Folding dimensions. Dahon holds over 40 years of international folding bike development and innovation. Founder Dr. David Hahn is recognized by Guinness World Records as the father of the modern folding bicycle. Dahon is recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's largest folding bicycle manufacturer and distributor. Choosing Dahon means choosing reliability and quality. Built upon Dahon's proven folding systems, further details speak for themselves. Choose Dahon's for a lighter, faster, and more enjoyable riding lifestyle.